My heat pump has a problem. It tries to heat the house, but I can see the temperature is never getting there. So when it is trying to heat the house, the valve is cycling like this. If I switch it to a heat position of hot water, it will go there and stop. Now you can see it's going in and it will stop here. So if I try to heat the house by pressing here on the heat pump, it will try to shift to the other position and it cannot stop there, because I have seen another video where he are cleaning the switches inside the valve. So I'll try to do that. So let's stop it here again and see, it will go in and it will stop. So turn the heat pump off, and now the valve will switch to the opposite position. It's just cycling. I'll take the cable out, and now there is a small button in here you can press to take it off. And this one, it's a Honeywell head, so I'll try to take it apart. Use a pry bar or something flat to pry here, and this one will go in, and the same on the opposite side. Pry here, and this one will go in. When you get it apart, it's these four up here that hold it together. There was two over here also, and it's difficult to get apart. When you have broken it apart, there is some small switches in the end here. It's difficult to see. Give it a burst with some brake cleaner and let's hope it will work. Now I have put a piece of rope around it to hold it together for testing. It's difficult to get the house off and on. So let's try and see if we say it should move now. It will go in and it will stop. And now we'll move it back again. It will go out. So now it's working. So just clean the small switches in here with some brake cleaner. And maybe you will have it for some years again, but maybe you should buy a new one. Thank you for watching. The locks that hold it together is these two here and two in the other end here, and these two on the side and two on the other side up here. But the way to get it to take apart is put some screwdriver in here in the bottom and just pry. So thank you for watching.